Hi students, today we are going to discuss a new chapter, dual nature of radiation and matter. And in this video we are going to discuss about electron emission, which is the first topic in our chapter. Electron emission, which means emission of electron from a surface. Now we all know the fact that metals, they contain a large number of free electrons, and these free electrons are responsible for its conductivity. Now the question arises, if the electron is free, then why can't they escape from the surface of the metal? And we all know the answer. Imagine there is a metal, and if that metal loses electron from its surface, then definitely the surface of the metal will become positively charged. And what happens? This positive charged surface will pull the electron back to its initial place. So an electron cannot simply eject or escape from the surface of a metal. If they want to escape, definitely they must have an enough amount of energy to overcome the pull by the positive charge. And this energy is known by the name work function. It is a minimum amount of energy required by an electron to escape from the metal surface. And it is usually denoted in electron volt, which means work function is measured in electron volt, and 1 electron volt is defined as the kinetic energy gained by an electron when it is accelerated through a potential of 1 volt. So 1 electron means the kinetic energy gained by an electron when we apply a potential of 1 volt. And the value of 1 electron volt in terms of joule is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 joule. Okay, now depending upon the nature of the material, depending upon the nature of metal surface, work function will vary, which means different metals will have different amount of work function. And the metal which possesses the largest amount of work function is platinum, and has a work function of nearly 5.65 electron volt, whereas cesium is the element having the minimum work function of 2.14 electron volt. So we understood, if the electron is supplied with an amount of energy, definitely it can escape from the metal surface if the energy provided is greater than or equal to the work function. Now let us see which are the different ways in which we can supply energy to a metal surface and make electron eject from it. There are 4 different ways. One is by providing heat energy. Next one is by providing electric field. Third one is providing light energy. And the final option is to bombard the metal with a fast moving electron. And these 4 processes are known by 4 different names, which is first one, thermionic emission. Thermionic, which means thermal energy. By heating the metal, the electrons are emitted from the metal surface with the help of thermal energy. Now, the second emission is by applying high electric field. By applying a very high electric field of order of 10 raised to 8 volt per meter to a metal, electrons can be pulled out of the metal surface. And the third option is by bombarding a metal surface by a fast moving electron, and it is named as secondary emission. If you are making electrons to eject from the metal surface with the help of another electron, fast moving electron, then it is known by the name secondary emission. And the fourth method is known by the name photoelectric emission, which is the main and important content of this chapter. And photoelectric, which means photo, something related to light. By help of light, we are making electricity. That is the meaning, photoelectric. Okay, here the electrons are emitted from metal surface with the help of electromagnetic radiation, that is light. I hope these 4 methods are clear to you. Thank you.